Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix can't change display resolution or the change display resolution option is grayed out in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step is at the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and go with device manager. So once you have opened that, expand it first, okay? And here you need to look for display adapters. Simply click this forward arrow and you would be able to see the graphic cards that you have in your computer. Once you have selected it, do a right click, go with update driver, and here it will opt you to choose these two options. Proceed to search for automatically, and if your driver or machine, sorry, says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, proceed to search for updated drivers in Windows. Here it will take some time, maybe 5 to 6 minutes, depending on your network connection or the network cable that you are connecting to. Just have to put a lot of patience, and I'm sure it will fix your problem. Okay? Unless if it doesn't, then here, go back to this window and open your device manager again. And in this window, just go back here to the display adapters. And here you need to do a right click and go with update driver. And this time you need to go with browse my computer for drivers and go with let me pick from a list of available drivers. Here you would be able to see different graphic cards that you have. You could have 3 to 4 or 2 to 3 and just have to try it one by one. Click on next. Try one by one what will work and what will fix your problem. Okay? So once done and once you're good, just have to restart your computer and I'm sure it will fix your problem. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to the third step, which is at the start icon again. Let's be navigating a process which will be opening our device manager. And here, expand it first and go back to display adapters. Click this forward arrow and select the graphic cards. Do a right click and this time you need to uninstall the device and make sure that when you click uninstall, don't check this attempt to remove the driver for this device. Simply click this uninstall and once done, you need to restart your computer and it will be installed automatically in your Windows. So no worries for that. It will fix your problem. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to the next step, which is here at the start icon again. Do a right click and go for settings. Okay. So once you have successfully opened your settings, here you need to proceed to the left side of your screen. At the list of it, you can see there Windows Update. Click on it. And the moment you've clicked it, you would be able to open your Windows Update tab. Proceed to the fourth option, which is Advanced Options. Click on it and go with additional options. You can see there the very first of it is this optional updates. Click on it once again. And here, the very first, which is driver updates, click this forward arrow and you would be able to see the available driver that your computer had. Simply click this box to check and download and install. So this will take some time. Just have to put a lot of patience again, and I'm sure it will fix your problem. Okay. So once you have finished downloading and install, you need to restart your computer. Okay. And let's say if you don't fix your problem with this step, and so let's be moving on to our last step, which is a very important step, which is at the bottom search bar, type CMD to search for command prompt and go with run as administrator. Here, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to run your command prompt as administrator. Here, you would input the command, which is sfc space forward slash scan now. Then, once done, click enter. Again, it is sfc forward space forward slash scan now. So this will do system scan and this process will take some time again. And again, you need to put a lot of patience. Just have to wait until the verification is completed, and don't close this command prompt window your unless this procedure is done. And once done, let's say if it's done, then you need to close this and then restart your computer. The moment you've restart your computer and relaunched it again, it will be fixed, okay? So I'm sure, okay? So hopefully those steps or methods help you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.